First, I want to thank my brothers, Onyechi, Bears, Joseph Akubo, Paul Irokro, who is not here, Nonge Audu, who is also not here, Mekai Tiaba is not here, a number of us who have been defending Nnamdi. He has decided to conduct his defense by himself. He has a right to do so. We respect that decision, and we wish him well going forward. That's all. That's all.
Okay, sir. No reaction for you.
No, I can't speak.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
That's all. Thank you.
Fine. Because he can't even for that. Any other
You went, sir?
So they said you
Thank you.